Okay, so we go from simple to complex number space. This is the simplest explanation I know, having experienced what it was like to chase fire. Metatron's cube, the crystal cube, black, right? Black and red. Simply put, Metatron, the fall of Metatron, would be analogous to what we call a backfire. If you know what a backfire is on a wildland fire, a forest fire. If you know what a backfire is, then you understand the torque speed differential between the inner and the outer, the inner child and the outer mirror. That mirror gets inverted, it's now chasing its mirror, right? So you flip it the other way, yeah. And so a backfire, that's what we do. See, when that fire is burning towards us, what do? We use what's called a drip torch. And a drip torch is a mix between 50% gasoline and 50% diesel fuel, so it's hot, right? So what we do is it's got a little wick on the end, and it's about 3 gallons in an aluminum container with a handle on it. And what happens is we're going to cut a line with a dozer. So you have little scrub brush and little very, very dry, what we call flashy fuels. It's moving at us at about 3,000 acres an hour. So it's changing the display, the visual display of the landscape, the terraformer, and it's coming right at us. So what we're going to do is we call it fire against fire, using fire to fight fire, the spirit of fire. So what do? We light a fire. It's called a backfire, which is known as backdraft. And what happens? We light stuff on fire, all right, and that fire will suck the fire that we lit into itself. It's out. There went the fire. The fire is out. That's what Metatron is. Put the fire out. That's what inversion is. Have a great day. Otherwise known in California as an inversion layer. Ever heard of that term back in the 1960s? We have an inversion layer over Southern California, right? And then you know how inversion layer relates to elevation, right? And degrees, breathing degrees, right? 3 inches of 3 inches of vacuum for every, 1,000 feet in elevation that you're breathing? And why when they get to 10,000 feet, as my dad would say, grab the O2, otherwise they go into a coma, can't fly their airplane with the avionics. Have a beautiful day.